Okay, Good Shepherd students, I am going to be making some videos on PowerPoint. And so this is the first video in a series of direction videos for PowerPoint. As you know, PowerPoint has been updated since last year, and so things look just a little different. So please refer to these videos as often as needed to get additional help and support as you work on your project. So PowerPoint icon is right down here. We could go ahead and click on that. And then we're just going to start with a blank presentation and we can hit create. Once this comes up, you can see that it starts with a designer tab open. If you are planning on using one of these, just know that you'll be using it for all your slides. So typically I say don't use that and just click here. There's a way to get it on just individual slides, and I can show you that later on in a future presentation video. So I have my main slide here in which I can click and add. And I can add a subtitle. Okay. If I want additional slides, there are two places I can go. I can click here and just hit return. That will get me an additional slide. Or I can also come up to new slides. This is helpful if you are thinking that you might want to have a little different layout. Maybe you're comparing two things, and so this layout might work well. Maybe you know that you're going to have a relatively large picture, and so this layout might look well. Typically, it will automatically come up with this as the default, but there are some additional places that you can go to look. So once I click that in, again, I'll get my next slide, and you could type in your title here. And you could click in here to type in your text. To get another bullet point is just like how you would do it in any Microsoft program. You just hit return. If for some reason you accidentally get rid of your bullet points, so you're in this position here, bullet points are right up here and numbering is here. You can click on either of those and they should give you what you're looking for, as well as if you want to change the bullet point that you're using. So maybe I want to have a square. I could go ahead and put that in, and that will go ahead and allow me to put in my bullet points. So first video just showing how to change or how to set up different slides and how to change the layout. Let's say after I start working, I decide, this isn't the layout I want. I can always come right up here and I can change it up here. So, maybe I want to do something like this. And you can see that it just allows me to add a different additional section. So just another way of formatting your presentation.